Okay, so today we are working on problems 10 through 12. For problem number 10, we have a 6-foot tall person that's trying to determine how tall a tree in his yard is. So when he stands 20 feet from the tree and looks to the top, the elevation is 52 degrees. So it looks something like this. We're trying to find out how tall that tree is. And then also we said that he's 6 feet tall. So we have our opposite one that we're looking for. We have the adjacent. So we're going to say the tangent of 52 equals the opposite over the adjacent. When we solve for x, we're going to have 20 tan 52 plus that 6. Because we have to remember that he still is adding the 6 feet at the end. And when we put that into the calculator, we'll have x equals 31.6 feet. For problem number 11, we have a company that's building a wheelchair ramp. The ramp needs an elevation of 5 degrees, and it needs to go up 8 feet. So we'll say that 5 degrees. We're trying to find out how long the ramp would need to be. So we're going to take our tangent of 5 will equal 8 over x. We're going to multiply by we'll do the cross multiplication. We'll end up with x tan of 5 equals 8. Divide both sides by tan of 5. 8 over tangent of 5. Plug that into your calculator, and you'll have 91.4 feet. For our last problem, we're just going to use that u substitution that we were using in the previous unit. So 12u squared minus 23u minus 2 equals 0. Factor this. So u can equal either negative 1/12 or 2. We're going to plug these back in. So we'll take our cross multiplication. So x will equal either negative 17 or negative 9/2. And that is tonight's homework video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night.